Hi, hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss determinant of a matrix of order 3 by 3. In our previous class we discussed determinant of 2 by 2 matrices and determinant of order 1 matrices. Now we are going to find out determinant of 3 by 3, that is determinant of order 3 matrices. Okay, for example, so let us consider capital A is equals to, I am taking as, so here it is A11, A12, A13 and it is A21, A22, A23 and next one is A31, A32, A33. So this is 3 by 3 square matrix. Now I am going to find out determinant of A, which implies, so we can write like this: determinant of A, A11, A12, A13 and A21, A22, A23, next A31, A32, A33. So this is determinant of capital A. Now we have to find out what is the determinant of this one. So simple, in 2 by 2 we can find out that is AD minus BC, but here it is very different. Okay, so here determinant we can find out along first row or along second row or along third row. Same way along first column, along second column, along third column, vice versa we can find out, but we have to find out either by using first row or second row or third row or first column or second column or third column. Okay, so first I want to find out along first row. So I'm writing it is expansion along first row, that is R1, expansion along R1. Okay, so here it is, that is determinant of A is equal to first row A11, okay, A11 into minus 1 whole power I plus j into, so you eliminate this row and this column, write this 2 by 2 determinants, that is A22, A23, this one is A32, A33, this value is 33. Okay, so plus next A12 minus 1 whole power I plus j. So here I explain what is I, what is j. So this column, this row eliminates, this column, this row eliminates. What you got, that you write in 2 by 2 matrices, that is determinant of 2 by 2 matrices. This value is A21, so A23 left, A31 and A33 left. I am writing as this. Next along first row, that is A13 left, A13 minus 1 whole power I plus j. So write 2 by 2, this column, this row cancel, so left only this one only. So A21, A22, next A31, A32. Yeah, the question is, what about I, what about j? I is row, okay, so j is column. I is row, j is column, means ith row, jth column, which implies minus 1 whole power ith row. A1 is first row, means 1, first column means 1, okay, into A11. So this is as it is, you write this value is as it is, which implies A22, A23, so A32, A33, okay, plus this value is minus 1 whole power A2, A12, A12 is first row, that is 1, plus second column it is 2, which implies A21, A23, so this value is A31, A33. Here it is clear. Next, here it is minus 1 I, so A13 is first row, which column? It is third column, So which implies this value is as it is A21, A22, A31, A32. And we know that see here, which implies, so minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 means minus 1. So here I am writing minus 1 whole square, it is A11. So this value is A22, A22, A33. Okay, A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32, which implies minus 1 whole power 3. So this value is A21, A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31. So plus minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3 means it is 4. So this value is A21, A32 minus A22, A31. Okay, so here this minus 1 whole power I plus j, that gives only value either negative or positive. So minus 1 whole square, this value gives a positive. Okay, I am writing it is as it is A22, A33 minus A23, A32 is as it is. Minus 1 whole power cube, that gives negative. So I am writing as it is negative A21, A33 minus A23, it is A31. So plus it is minus 1 whole power even number, so it gives only positive. It gives only positive value. Okay, here A12 is left. Here A12 is left, I am writing. So here also, here left A13. Here also A13. So here also A13 into A21, A32 minus A22, it is A22, A31. So this is the determinant of 3 by 3 matrices. The determinant of 3 by 3 matrices. Alright, so keep in mind this is determinant of A along with first row. Okay, so as well as we can find out determinant of A using first row, second row, third row. In the same way, first column, second column, third column. Okay, any one of the row or any one of the column we can find out the determinant of 3 by 3 matrices. So here it is minus 1 whole power I plus j, that gives only sign, whether the sign gives negative or positive. Okay, so always to find minus 1 whole power I plus j, it is very difficult. So that we can do, see, A is equals to, I am writing it is A11, A12, A13. So A21, A22, A23. So here it is A31, A32, A33. Okay, always do finding minus 1 whole power I plus j, it is very difficult. So that you keep in mind, so these elements are having negative sign. These elements are having negative sign, because means first row second column element is negative. Okay, second row first column element is negative. Second row third column element is negative. Third row second column element is negative. So this diagonal elements are having negative sign, that you keep in mind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so rather than finding this minus 1 whole power I plus j, it is better to remember this, these diagonal elements are having negative sign. So based on this we can find out a problem. Okay, yeah, here it is a problem. So evaluate determinant of this 3 by 3 matrices. I told you that these diagonal elements are having negative sign. Okay, based on that we can find out, this is delta. Delta is equals to 1 into, so this we can write, see, once I want to write clearly, so it is this column, this row cancel, write 3 0 1 0. Okay, so diagonal elements, it is minus 2 into next value, this column cancel, this row cancel, so it is minus 1 0 and this value 4 0. Okay, next plus 4, because only this element is having negative sign, remaining are positive signs. 4 into this column cancel, this row cancel, so which implies minus 1 3 and it is 4 1. So which delta value? So 1 into this value, 3 into 0 0 minus, this is 2 by 2 matrices, determine 0 minus 2 into, so this value is minus 1 into 0 0 minus 4 into 0 0 plus 4 into, this is minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 4 into 3, this value is 12, which implies delta is equal to 1 into 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 4 into minus 13, 4 into minus so 4 into minus 13, this value is, it is 0, it is minus 0, so 4 13 4s are minus 52, which implies delta is equal to minus 52. So hence this value is, delta is equal to minus 52. So this is the determinant of the given matrix by using 3 by 3 matrices. So determine either row or column. I did this problem by using first row. Is it clear?